Welcome to my channel. Right now you are in the right place.
My Christmas creations are not over yet. Christmas is not over, and I have an excuse to use a lot of glitter. My name is Juliet Migwi, and normally I share with you my resin art, and I'm going to show you a lovely way of decorating this mold to make a Christmas tree. For some of you who don't have a lot of space, or you don't like Christmas tree, or cleaning up after the real Christmas tree, or setting up the big Christmas tree, or you just want something small even for your office. The people who their Christmas starts in June, you know, or 1st November Christmas starts. This is for you. And if you like this and find it valuable, or there's something just interesting you found about it, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos. I have quite a bit of stories on Instagram and TikTok at Juliet Migwi Inspires. All right. So for this, of course, the mold, of course, resin. I'll show you how we mix that. We're using a white glitter, just a tiny bit of it. Some gold. This is like the champagne gold glitter. A little red glitter, not too much, just a dash, because we don't want it to be too heavy. And then we're going to use opaque pigment and a red paste pigment, and we're just going not to make them heavy, we're going to mix them very light. So let me wear my gloves and mask, mix the resin, then I can show you how we do this. Don't forget to watch the Christmas playlist. I've made a selection of ornaments and other decorations for Christmas in this season and seasons before. Check the card above. Here we go, all cured. Let's see how it has turned out on the other side. So let's demold this base first. It's a tiny piece, but beautiful. Look at that. Look at how the glitter is suspended on the inside. And let's demold the Christmas tree. Oh. There you go. Look at that. Look at the way the reds and the golds are cloudy. I love it. I love it. I love it. That's a beautiful, beautiful piece. Maybe on something like green, we would see more of the contrast or golds, but I love how it has turned out. Please watch to see how it looks when I put it up. All right. Before you go, please subscribe and press the notification bell if you think this was valuable. And to see also how these and other colors would look, please follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Juliet Migwi Inspires. In this Christmas season, I'll have quite a bit to share. God bless you, Barakatele. See you on my next video.